Asparagus!
Labia minora!
Aquarium!
Arrabbiata!
Passata!
Martini!
Jesus Christ! Amaretto! Radox!
Tresemme! Tropicana! Pinot Grigio!
Yeah, basically drank throughout the entire pregnancy.
Spina bifida!
Oh! Oh, God damn it! Oh, Jesus. Oh, spina bifida sucks.
Asparagus! 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 Asparagus!
So gross.
Salivate! Asparagus! Asparagus! Asparagus!
Apostrophe! Asphyxia. Now you're choking. That's what I did with my wand. With the spell, asphyxia means choke. Means you can't get air. You need air to breathe. Kind of feel like this is going my way now. Mike? Are you listening? Mike? Mike? Well, looks like I'm going to Azkaban.